The last class we discussed exercise 4.2 first domain all the 5 problems. Now in this video let us continue with the second main problem. Solve the problems given in example 1. In your textbook page number 40 you can see example 1. In that 2 problems are there that only we have to solve in the second main problem. It is x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Now by using splitting the middle term factorization method, we can write 324 into x square as 324x square. If you split minus 9x and minus 36, you will get the product as minus 45x. Therefore, you can write x square minus 9x minus 36x plus 324 is equal to 0. In the first two term, x square minus 9x, x is common. So I will write it in the brackets outside. Therefore, I can write x into x minus 9 minus in 36x plus 324, 14 is common. So I will write minus 14 into x minus 36 is equal to 0. So I got two factors here, that is x minus 9 is equal to 0 and x minus 36 is equal to 0. Therefore, we got the two products, that is x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 36. This is regarding the example 1 first problem. Second one, x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. Here also again multiply the first and the last term. X square into 750 is 750x square. If you multiply minus 25x into minus 30x, you will get plus 750x square. If you add minus 25x and minus 30x, you will get minus 55x. Therefore, you can write x square minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0. In x square minus 25x, x is common. So x into x minus 25 minus in 30x plus 750, 30 is common. Therefore, minus 30 into x minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, I can write x minus 25 is equal to 0 and x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, I got two products, that is x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 30. So, this is regarding the second problem of exercise 4.2.